Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter the 9th. Big Fight. Instant oatmeal. Just add water. And then the factory filled up with water and the oats began to expand. Oh no! There are only 4 BC buildings left! Get that Robo-Kitty!
ABC, don't fail me now!
Flipple, Triple Rama. Ready? And so...
Hooray! Those jerks may have defeated my basic buildings, but they're no match for my psychokinetic mind powers. I think I'll start by getting rid of this Robo-Cat. Be gone from me!
Lil Petey! I'm coming!
We're coming too!
And so am I! Ha ha ha!
Lil Petey, are you okay?
Yeah, but ADHD got broke.
Don't worry, he can be repaired.
Is he okay?
Yeah.
We gotta get out of here!
Becky Fish is on his way!
Robo-Cat, come out and play, eh? I'm not finished with you yet.
Come on, we gotta split!
You'll never get away from me.
Let's go!
I'll hunt you down to my last breath.
What are you waiting for?
I'll never stop until you're dead.
You better run, Papa. It's me that he wants.
Take him, Dogman. You guys gotta get out of here. I'll saw the fish while you escape. Hurry! It's our only chance to save the kid! Run!
Ready or not, here I come.
It is a far, far better thing that I do than I have ever done.
Well, well, well. It isn't the mighty Robo-Cat. Yeah, you're much cuter from a distance. You're not cute at all up close. Oh well. Come along now. It's time to die.
Meanwhile, it looked like the gang had escaped.
Hey, it's my cop car.
Let's hide out in this building.
Okay, hurry!
And soon...
I wish they would stop staring out that window.
Me too. There's nothing we can do.
There's always something you can do.
Meanwhile...
How should I get rid of this guy? I know. I'll drop him into that volcano over there. And once he's gone, I'll destroy Dogman and his heroic friends.
A few minutes later...
Hey, that kitty just stole my car. Get him, Dogman.
Hi, Dogman. Oh yes, I see you've noticed our roof. We have a new sign. Please feel free to test drive any of our fine products.
And so... Meanwhile, things were not looking very good for Petey. He was being lifted higher and higher by the mighty brain powers of Supa Mecha Flippy.
Ha ha ha! As soon as he reaches 10,000 feet, I'll drop him into that volcano.
But then...
Hey! Watch where you're driving, Leadfoot!
Hi, Flippy. What you doing?
I'm very busy destroying this Robo-Cat.
Why?
Because he's a jerk.
Why?
Because he busted up my BC buildings.
Why?
Because they were going to destroy the city.
Why?
Because I told them to.
Why?
Because I was mad.
Why?
Because nobody likes me.
Why?
I don't know. Nobody's ever liked me. Even back in school, the other fish never played with me. They called me Fatty Fish Lips.
I'm sorry. Hey, I know what will cheer you up. Look, I made you a book. Do you want to read it?
Okay.
And so,
My friend Flippy. Flippy and me flew up to a star. They had a swing set, so we swing on it. I fell off, but Flippy saved me. Flippy and me went under the sea. Then we ate 5 soups. The end. Did you like it?
It was beautiful!
as Flippy's evil heart melted, something strange began to happen.
Oh no! My evil powers, they're getting weaker!
Uh-oh.
This was not good news for Petey. Uh-oh! Yeah! Oh well, I guess this is the end. Goodbye, cruel world! It is a far, far better restaurant I go to than I have ever known! Wow, thanks, Dogman. Rats!